Good morning, good evening, those who are watching us from Africa and Kenya in particular. This is an evening. Um, whatever I'm going to present today is from Versatile team. Versatile team is part of Greenworld Health International. We deal with alternative medicine, in particular supplements. And today I'm delighted to present to you a product, and I want a product from Greenworld Health International, which you're calling the Greenworld Women Care Gel. So thinking about a woman, or maybe a world without a woman, is probably thinking about a world without flowers. Women play such a key, important role in the society. And given our fast-paced life, women are as burdened as men are, and probably even more. And because of this, then women face a myriad of problems, and which they may ignore because of their busy schedules. And maybe it is important that I also mention something that may result from this ignorance of the women's conditions, which may cause trouble. One of the key or one of the conditions that may develop, or one of the complications of a sedentary life, is what we call cervical cancer. And cervical cancer, I would like to give you some startling statistics. About 300,000 women die annually as a result of cervical cancer. These are statistics from World Health Organization. And again, some more startling statistics, which is quite unsettling, that every 3 minutes, one woman dies out of cervical cancer. That is unsettling, right? What are those factors that may cause some of these gynecological conditions? One, it is what we call excessive cleaning. In the women's endeavor to make themselves clean and feel fresh, they have tried a myriad of liquids. You have heard of women who do something that we call douching, and they have used vinegar. Some have used baking soda. Others have used all types of fluids. One, to keep themselves clean and fresh. This could cause problems, or some of those problems that I'm calling gynecological problems, particularly cervical cancer. Number two, there is prolonged sitting. Again, I just mentioned our sedentary lives. The women, especially the working women who are in the office sitting and have a 9 to 5 job, that sedentary life could bring complications, and in the long run, we have it results into cervical cancer. Wearing underwear that is made from chemical fiber. You bear me witness that today we have a lot of synthetic underwear. Multiple abortions, poor hygiene, frequent and multiple sexual partners, and the work pressure. What makes the woman predisposed to cervical cancer? One, it could be because of the gynecological, or because of the structure of the woman's gynecological or structure of, the way the woman is made. And starting from the opening where we have the cervix and moving up, what happens is that when you have the infections from the opening, they are likely to move to the cervix, the fallopian tubes, the ovaries, and even the uterus. But you don't have to worry. Greenworld has got you covered. We have a WADA product which you're calling the Greenwald Women Care Gel. And the ingredients are tailor-made to do all that the woman has always wanted to do. Keep herself clean and healthy, or maintain her private parts, making them clean, odorless, and healthy. I just want to mention just a few of the ingredients and what they do. And basically, I'll just be dwelling on what the ingredients are for. Number one, they inhibit the bacterial vaginosis and reduce odor. And we have just said that one of the reasons why the women will do excessive cleaning is so that they can remove that odor. And this product is made with what you're calling radix stemoni, which will help remove, or it has some antibacterial, anti-inflammatory effects, which help reduce the vaginal secretion and therefore remove that unpleasant odor that women have been trying to fight so much. Number two, the ingredients will help reduce the occurrence of trichomoniasis. This is an ingredient that kills parasites and regulates immunity of the private parts. Number three, the other ingredient will help remove the heat and dampness that relieves itching and reduce what you're calling leucorrhea. And the removal of the dampness dispels with and also kills any parasites. The parasites could be the ones that are responsible for itching. Number four, it helps relieve the swelling and pain and also promotes tissue repair. When the itching happens, the scratching, it could result into tissue damage, and therefore some of these ingredients will, and especially the aloe vera that is in the women care gel, helps alleviate the pain and also promotes healing. Who should use this? I've just said that this is a product that is tailor-made. I have it here. This is a product that is tailor-made for all the women, all the ladies, and you can use it. Is made in terms of tube, and probably it is important that I show you the tube. This is the tube. You're meant to use one tube per day for 3 to 6 days. We are saying it is safe, it is clean, it will do all that you have dreamt to do about vaginal health. But there is a rider. Women who are pregnant, women who are on their periods, and women who are breastfeeding should not use this product. There could be women who are showing a lot of serious symptoms, and therefore this woman can actually use this product, one in the morning and one in the evening. I've said it is not right to imagine of a world without women. So let us take care of our women by giving them. You can purchase as a gift women care gel for your wife, for your girlfriend, for your daughter, or even for your mother. Thank you so much. You can see us. We have these products in our office. We are based at Naivasha, the marketplace. You can find us there from Monday to Saturday between 8 and 6 p.m. We'll serve you. We'll give you more information. And we pray that you live healthy. And thank you for listening. You can also subscribe. We are online, so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Versatile Team. You can follow us on Facebook, again at Versatile Team, or you can physically visit us in our office for more information. Thank you. Greenwald Flowers. You can call us also, reach us on 0701 158 823. 1. May I repeat? 0701 158 821. Thank you as you take care of the flowers.